English Phonics Grade 1 to 3 Beginning Sounds. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me. We are going to learn about beginning sounds. A beginning sound is the sound that a word begins with. So it is the sound that you hear first when you hear a word. So look at each picture. I'm going to say the word and you decide which sound it starts with. I will start with an example. Car, car. Look at these letters. What did the word car start with? Yes, K for car. Bed, bed. B for bed. Wave, wave. W for wave. Clock, clock. Well done. Did you get it right? Cup, cup. K for cup. Plate, plate. P for plate. Mug, mug. Good. M for mug. Broom, broom. Yes, it's B. Bin, bin. B for bin. Table, table. T for table. Roof, roof. R for roof. Door, door. Yes, D for door. Mop, mop. M for mop. You did great. I'm so proud of you guys. Now let us try a few more beginning sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. Tree, tree. Yes, T for tree. Microwave, microwave. M for microwave. Towel, towel. T for towel. Soap, soap. S for soap. Tap, tap. That's right, T for tap. Boy, boy. B for boy. Under, under. Yes, A for under. Hen, hen. H for hen. Cow, cow. Yes, it's the curly K. Pen, pen. P for pen. Frog, frog. F for frog. Monkey, monkey. That's right, M for monkey. Piano, piano. P for piano. Clap, clap. Yes, it's the curly K. Bird, bird. B for bird. Helicopter, helicopter. H for helicopter. Key, key. Yes, it's the kicking K. Violin, violin. V for violin. Thank you for learning so hard today. You are a star. Now remember to practice your beginning sounds every day. Now listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher and work very hard. And don't forget to be safe. Thank you guys for watching and learning. Until next time, bye.